So this is our server manager, Windows. So we'll network is. So we'll go for the control panel from the start button. So this is the control panel. Type first into the start button there, control panel, and we'll log into the control panel. Then there are so many options: system and security, network and internet, user accounts, appearance and personalize, clock, language, region, is to access, and programs. So the programs are basically those where we would uninstall something, uninstall a program. We can go there and basically we can choose any of the program which is already published, and also install in our machine. So therefore we can uninstall there with a right click button here. There uninstall or change option. From there we can uninstall a program. Obviously install program. So today we will not go for the install or uninstall program or hardware or network internet issue. We will go for the system and security. So in system and security tab, there are so many other tabs in our left hand: system and security, network, internet, hardware, programs, user accounts, appearance and personal, clock, language. So we will go for the appearance and personalized systems administrative tools. We will go for the administrative tools option. So therefore there are so many others option are there. We will go for the so first we will go to our first we will introduce our this program that partitioning a disk using control panel. So already we have get into entry into the control panel. Therefore the system and security panel. Then from there the administrative tools. From there are computer management option. Okay. So we'll go for the computer management option. Double click on computer management. You can find another screen which maintain the system tool, storage, service and application. So basically there are so many actions there. For more action we can click on this button, more action, connect to another computer, all tasks, view, and there are so many others options are there in all tasks and view option. So basically we will go for the storage option. So we'll click on the storage, then disk management, and now we can see our disk. This is the disk 0 basic 50 GB. Some for that 1024 or 1000. That is for 100,000 kilobyte equal to 1 gigabyte or megabyte, or 1024 kilobyte equal to 1 megabyte MB. Therefore 10 to the power 2 to the power 10 equal to 2 to the power 10 MB equal to 1 GB, and this sum of the portion 0.02 GB are there and not showing in this space because this is for the system management. Healthy boot page file custom primary partitions are there. Then this is the disk1 page, which also basic 49.98 GB. So basically we will today in disk partitioning program or disk partitioning, this is not a program but workshop or task. So in this task we will go for this disk2. So here we can see that this is offline mode. In offline mode, that the disk is offline mode because it has a signature collision with another disk that is offline. So there also you can see that this is in healthy situation. Good page. Okay. So we'll first have to online change into this online mode. So first of all, we will go and click the right click button, then the online option, and from there, okay. Now we can see our D drive, simple healthy primary partition. So from there we will partition it. So then at first we have to change its offline mode to online mode. Then we have to go for the sync volume, because if we not go for the sync volume option, therefore the task will be not oftenly, it will not taking part to the partitioning device program. So first of all we have to change this. This is the same condition where MB, GB, KB are exchangeable. So then therefore the sync option, click on the sync option. Then there is not enough space available on the disk to complete this operation. Okay. So we will again go for the sync volume. Okay. This is 3, 3. Again we are trying. Okay. Okay. Now you can see this 20.59 GB NTFS healthy primary partition, and this is unallocated 29.30 GB unallocated space. So we have done the partitioning programming, the partitioning task in this Windows module. Disk drive disk 1, which was basically 50 GB, approx 50 GB, and now we have partitioning it into two partitions, that is one is 20 point something, one or something, and another is 30 GB, approx 30 GB. So therefore we have done this, and new simple volume. Okay, welcome to new simple volume user. Then next, okay, then now we have to next. Okay, assign the following drive letter E. So just for some confirmation, we will check whether it is 20,000 or 30,000. We have to put there. So okay, this is the volume default. Volume level, that is okay. Next, okay, here we have to do this. Okay, okay. So just we will go some back there. Okay, it will be 29999 approx 30,000. Then next, then next, then it will be not this, but E colon. That will be E. Then colon. Then next, then finish. So healthy primary. Now healthy primary partition E. Okay, so that was our task for today. So okay, we just have seen how a size specification dialog will be presented, and with following those wizard at last we are able to, the disk partition will be carried out and the resulting disk configured will be updated. The second disk now consists of two partitions, one is D and another is E, of 20 GB and 30 GB respectively. So checking my progress, yes it has. So it was for today. For our next session, let's see there what it has unopened in our next session. Okay, thank you.